really crunchy. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight we'll be making an... Cut. What are you doing? Can't you see I'm in the middle of shooting a show here? Relax, I was just looking to see what you were making. Yeah, I'm making caprese salad, something very simple and very delicious to have for a light lunch. Well, that sounds really good. I'll take some. I'll bet you would. Why don't you go fill out your logbook or something? All right, we're still rolling. Get you. Guys, I'm really sorry. Let me explain. That's my evil twin brother, Frank, there. He's a pilot, the commercial pilot, and he thinks he's all that. He actually insists that we call him Captain Frank around here. He should only know what we call him when he's not here. Okay, now that we got my evil twin brother, Captain Frank, out of the way, benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight, I'm going to make you something very simple, something very easy. When you're hungry, you don't want to make a big project. We're going to make a very simple caprese salad, but it's not your typical caprese salad that you see everything nicely sliced and laid out and it's all pretty. That's been there, done that. We're going to make it different, okay? So here are our ingredients. We have our extra virgin olive oil. We have our balsamic glaze, my fresh garden basil, cherry tomatoes, black pepper, oregano, sea salt, my homemade roasted peppers, some fresh mozzarella, 1 avocado, just 2 roasted sun-dried tomatoes, a regular plum tomato, and some of my homemade bread. And it's really simple how we're going to prepare this. So here we go. First things first, I'm going to take the avocado and I'm going to take it out of its skin. And you cut it down the center if you really want to get all the skin out perfectly. We'll cut it. Just slice it right out of the skin. And we're going to cut it up into small pieces. Again, not your typical caprese salad. This is more of a rustic caprese salad. A very simple, not for show, but for eat caprese salad. Cut out tomato like that once, like that, like that. The whole concept of a salad is that everything is mixed together. Take our beautiful sun-dried tomatoes. Spread them over. Now add a little salt. Just a touch. And then I'm going to bring in my beautiful cherry tomatoes. Or grape tomatoes, however you want to call them. Just a few. You don't have to use all of them. Beautiful roasted peppers that I made here at home. Hard to get a hold of.
The video.
That's from, if you want to see how to make these roasted peppers, go to my how to make roasted peppers video. Look how beautiful that is. Just be simple. You don't need to lay them out fancy. It's not all about fancy. It's about delicious. Look at that. Now we're just going to toss them around a little bit. Look at that color. Now all the flavors are mixing together. Really beautiful. The avocados have the flavor of the peppers on them and the tomatoes. Everything is beautiful right there. We're going to take our beautiful mozzarella and we're going to cube it up. And if you like a lot of cheese, just put a lot in. If you don't put a lot in. It's that simple. There you go. Take our last piece here. I like a lot of cheese. And there is garlic flavor in the roasted peppers, so you're getting your garlic in there also. I'm going to give it a quick toss. All the flavors are infusing now. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And there's our fresh basil. And to get the real flavor of the basil, you want to tear the basil. That lets the oils of the basil come out and enhance the flavor of the salad so much more. There you go. Just put it in there. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Mine are very clean. I just mix it up like that. Look how beautiful that is. So we have our basil. Now we're going to add a little black pepper, a little oregano. Just a touch of that. Just a touch of black pepper. And again, just a little bit more salt. And toss it around just a little more to get those flavors infused. And now the final balsamic vinegar.
Glaze. This
is the glaze. Balsamic glaze. Look how pretty that is, huh? Wow. Now you're talking a piece of art right there. A little olive oil. And that's the whole thing, folks. Now it's time to taste it. Are you ready? Are you ready to taste this beautiful caprese salad, different from all the caprese salads you've ever seen before? This is Mama Gallo's caprese salad. Here we go with my homemade bread. Just gonna break off a little piece here because I don't want to make a mess. Get some tomato in there, some of the mozzarella, some of the roasted red pepper, basil, a little bit of that sun-dried tomato on there. And here it is. Are you ready? Are you ready to taste this with Frank Gallo? You hear the crunching? Guys, I wish you could. I wish you could taste this. This brings back the memories of my childhood. Look how simple. Look at it. No fancy layout. Simple. I gotta have another bite because it's so good. And this bread. Crunchy. One more bite here. The avocado is trying to escape. So I want to thank you very much for watching this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Caprese Simple, Mama Gallo's Caprese Salad. Please like and subscribe so that I can continue to bring you all of Mama Gallo's greatest recipes. And more important than anything in this world, I love you, Mama. I miss you. Rest in peace. Salud.